Hello guys, welcome again in a new video. As you saw in thumbnail, today's video is completely dedicated to unlock your smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure you have locked your smartphone by forgetting it, and you have tried a lots of video to unlock your smartphone and still now you're not able to, and you're not got success to unlock your smartphone. So don't worry at all. By the new method, what I'm going to spell you out in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. Further in this video, I will also tell you why sometimes these type of unlocking method don't work on your smartphone. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone's battery should not be charged less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. Okay, so before starting this method, you should fully battery charge of your smartphone at least 30%, or you may also use your smartphone's charger at the time of using this unlocking method. One of the most important thing that I would also like to tell you that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with the help of today's video, then don't worry at all. You may also take help of my next upcoming videos or older videos, and for this you must subscribe to the channel. And if your phone is unlocked with the help of today's video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next video for the further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your smartphone by fully learning this method, mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone. As you know, my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network should be closed. To close these type of network, you will have to simply slide your phone downside like this. You will get a lots of keys here. You can see here. Now you can see here there is a key of for airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. Simply you will have to activate this flight mode. After activating this flight mode, you can see here my phone's all the network has been switched off. Okay, now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method. But before going to the master unlocking method, one more thing you will have to do with your smartphone, and the main thing is that your phone's all the background running applications should be closed. Okay, and generally it's not possible to close all the background running application when your phone is locked. So there are some secret codes which generated by the every service center, every brand service center, to close the background running application when your phone is locked. And these type of secret code updates within 2 or 3 days regularly. So what the secret code I'm going to spell you out in this video is only valid for 2 or 3 days. So if your phone is unlocked with the help of this secret code, then it's okay, or you may also take help of my next upcoming videos. Okay, now after this, simply you will have to slide your phone upside like this. Now you can see here this phone is locked due to pattern lock. After you can see here there is an option of an emergency SOS option. Okay, so simply you will have to click on this emergency SOS option to open your phone's dialing pad like this. Now after you can see here dialing pad has been appeared on my phone display. Now you will have to feed here the secret code to close the background running application, and today's recent secret code is star has 8546 star 000 then star 99 then has. This is the recent secret code to close the background running application. After feeding this secret code, you will have to call on this secret code, and at the first time when you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. Simply ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again you will have to call on this secret code 3 times continuously. Okay, now after call on this secret code 3 times continuously, it means your phone's all the background running application are now closed. Now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method. Okay, now after this, simply you will have to clear your call log like this. After clearing this call log, I am going to give you a special USSD code which will take your phone to the master unlocking mode page, or it's also known as engineers mode page. Okay, so this USSD code is star has 899 then has. Now you can see here after feeding this number star has 899 has, a new page has been appeared, and the page's name is after sales page. Okay, and you can also see here there are lots of options on this page, but you can see here at the 5th number there is an option of a software version. Okay, simply you will have to click on the software version option, and when you will click on this software version option, you will reach to a new page and you will get a lots of options on the new page. Okay, Now you can see here the second option is showing here Android version 13. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 10, 11 or 12, so don't worry at all. If your phone is showing here Android version 12, it means you will have to click on this Android version option 12 times continuously. But here my phone is showing here Android version 13, so I will have to click on this Android version option 13 times continuously like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now the first step has been done, my friend. After this, simply you will have to go with the back button, and when you will go with the back button, you will reach to the previous page. Okay, now you can see here there is another option of a manual test option above the software version. Simply you will have to go with this option. When you will go with the manual test option, you will reach to a new page, and the page name you can see here, this is the main page, engineers mode page, and this page is most important to unlock your smartphone. Okay, now after this you can see here there are three type of option on this page. You don't have to click any option on this page. Okay, now after this, simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of other that will comes end of the slide. You can see here there are also a 5 type of option on this page. Now you can see here at the second number the option is showing here read write important lock test. You can see here. Now simply you will have to click on this read write important lock test option, and when you at the first time when you will click on this read write important lock test option, you will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm here. Simply you will have to cancel here. Again at the second time you will have to cancel this, and the third time you will have to cancel this. But at the fourth time when you will click on this option, and you will have to go with the OK button, and when you will go with the OK button, it means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. Now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. So I'm going to give you a very last step to unlock your smartphone. But before going to the last step, one more thing I would like to tell you. If you have skipped a single step in this video, it means your phone is not going to unlock and you have wasted your time. Okay, so you will have to watch this video again. So watch this video properly and follow the every step properly to unlock your smartphone in a single attempt. Okay, now after this, simply you will have to go with the left side sliding, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. Okay, now you can see here device debugging option has been appeared on my phone display, and there are also lots of options on this page now. But you can see here there is an option of a sensor self-test and calibration option at the 6th number. Okay, simply you will have to click on this sensor self-test and calibration option, and when you will click on this sensor self-test and calibration option, you will reach to a new page, and you will also get a 3 type of option on this page. It may be possible your phone will be 1 option or 2 options showing here, but don't worry at all the option will be showing here operation not started. So simply you will have to start these operation by clicking on these option. Okay, and you will have to continue click on these option until you get a single test passed message in green color. Okay, after when you get a single test passed message in green color, it means your phone has been completely unlocked. Now you will don't have to do anything with your smartphone. Okay, so I'm going to click on these option. You can see here test has been started, test failed. The second option test has been started, test passed, and the third option test has been started and test failed. But you can see here a single test passed message has been appeared on my phone display. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my smartphone. So how will I check whether my phone has been unlocked or not? Now you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. Okay, simply you will have to click on this option to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. So I'm going to click on this option. Now you can see here my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the application which were in my smartphone as it is as in my smartphone. It means this type of unlocking method is very useful for you, and you are not going to losing any data of your smartphone. So if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video, and if your phone could not unlock with the help of this video, then make a comment which type of issues you are facing to unlocking it this way, your smartphone. Our team will quick response on your issues. Thank you so much.